On April 3rd, 2024, a routine disturbance call at a hotel escalated into a dramatic confrontation involving an intoxicated guest. The incident, captured on video, provides a detailed account of the interactions between the guest and responding officers, shedding light on the legal implications of her behavior.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so what's going on today?
Best Sanford.
Okay. Where are you staying?
Well, I live an hour north.
Okay. But where are you...
My friend begged me to come get him. I didn't want to.
Okay.
And he fucking...
What? What happened? Tell me. You can talk to me.
They're like gashed up with like inmates and shit.
Okay. Were you drinking tonight?
I had a call. What, are you gonna take me to jail?
No, I'm just trying to find out what's going on. So what happened tonight, though? How come you're on the...
Take me home and I'll be fine.
I can't take you home. Where do you live?
Well, like, take me home to my room.
You just want to go to the room?
Yeah.
Okay, so how come you don't go to the room then? Why do you want... Why do you...
My key.
So you want me to take you to your room because you lost your room key?
Dude, I'm an independent woman. I'll be fine.
But you just asked me to take you to your room.
Can I just like fucking take a nap and then
How about this? Let's start with this. What's your name? You have your ID with you?
I absolutely do.
You mind if I see it?
Dude, I have like a $2,000 room.
Okay. Do you just have your ID?
Yes, I absolutely do. I have my room, I have my ID, I have my debit card, I have everything that you want to see from me.
The disturbance began when the guest, highly intoxicated, was observed exposing herself in the hotel lobby and creating a scene by yelling at the hotel staff to use the lobby phone. Upon receiving the call, officers arrived at the scene and found the guest in a state of visible distress.
Okay, no problem.
Am I not upset because, like, I'm a miserable person?
Okay. I'm just trying to find out what's going on.
If you have a room, why do you want to sleep out here on the couch?
She wanted me to take her to her room.
Yeah.
Let's go back here then.
No.
Alright, well, just hold.
I would love for you to take me
Give
back.
me 2 seconds. Do you have anyone in the room with you? Or are you by
No,
yourself?
I'm a solo pioneer.
Alright, well, you're upset about something, right?
Oh, I'm very upset, but like,
So what are you
does
upset
it
about?
matter?
I want to help you out. If you're upset, I don't want you crying and not wanting to go
Oh
back to
my
your room.
god,
Are you feeling okay, though? Like, what's going on?
Yeah, we just like only want to kill ourselves every once in a while.
Is that how you feel right now?
We don't want to like kill ourselves, but like we only want to get ran over by a train. You know what I mean?
Why do you say that?
Like, I don't want to think stolen. You have my ID.
Yeah, I have your ID.
Everything else besides my ID is stolen.
Okay. What's all that stuff right there?
Go for it. Look.
No, I don't want to look. I'm asking you what you mean by that.
There's tampons and pads.
Pick it up and put it back in your bag.
No, I'm
I'm
going to. I'm showing you because you asked me.
Yeah.
What is in my purse?
No.
Did you not?
You said things were stolen, so I'm just asking what it was.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. My phone and my. This is what I have. Do I have a phone? No, I don't have a phone. I don't have a phone.
Do you think someone stole it from you?
I absolutely know somebody stole it. Dylan Dreyer stole it. He called me from it not that long ago.
The officers approached the situation with patience, engaging in a lengthy dialogue with the guest to determine the cause of her distress and to assist her in returning to her room. Despite the officers' efforts to de-escalate the situation and address her concerns, the guest's behavior did not improve.
That's my boyfriend.
Is he staying with you?
He was.
Where is he now?
I have no fucking clue.
He just walked out?
I came back here by myself.
Came back from where?
Dinner. At the
Where were you guys at?
Dronner?
How we doing?
The tapas place?
And was it West Palm?
It was fucking good, dude. That guy, those people had some good food. That's what I have.
Okay.
These are all the things that I have. That's what I was trying to show you.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out why you're...
I do have an ID.
I have your ID.
But like, well, I have no idea where he fucking is right now.
Do you know his phone number? We could try to call him.
I have no idea what his phone number is because he fucking stole my fucking phone.
Sometimes, if you had it memorized, we could try to call him.
I don't have his, like, come on, let's get real. Do you have his phone number memorized?
No.
It's because, like, what do we do? Sean, are you, well, not saying you're Sean, but say his name is Sean. We don't
Okay,
And
so
he said, "Are we fine?" And I said, "Yeah, we're fine."
so everything was fine at dinner. There was no bad blood or anything like that. No fighting, nothing.
No.
And then you decided to come back here. So how come you're upset right now, though? Okay.
Like,
You don't want to talk?
Very, very upset.
I just want to make sure you're okay.
I'm not okay. Do I look okay?
But that's why I'm here, to try and figure out how I can help you.
I know you're such a nice guy.
So what?
And you're like super f***ing nice.
So what can I do to help you? Do you? I have to ask this question. Do you want to hurt yourself, kill yourself, injure yourself?
Oh, so you can put me in a mental hospital?
No. I just have to make sure.
I only want you to put me in a mental hospital.
No, because.
No. Are you fucking kidding me? I know those are all the questions
I have
that
to
are
ask
bad.
it. Because if we go back to the room and something happens to you, I'm going to feel really bad about that. So I have to make sure you're okay.
Yeah,
I have to make sure you're
take me
okay.
to a mental hospital.
I have to make sure you're okay.
I only hope that you wish I was okay. No, I came here to pick him up.
Okay, I gotcha.
That was the whole fucking point of me coming here. This is what I'm saying. It's like, I am not a bad person. I
No one's
fucking
saying-
come here to pick him up.
No one's saying you're a bad person.
He fucking...
Approximately an hour later, officers were called back to the hotel as the guest had once again left her room, this time escalating her behavior further by throwing objects at hotel staff and continuing to yell. Upon their second arrival, officers were confronted with the guest's continued disruptive behavior.
I
not saying-
came here to get him because I love him, and he does this to me.
Was he staying here?
He's been staying here for 3 days, not here in general, but like in West Palm.
Okay.
And I can't fucking text him because he fucking stole my phone.
Okay. What time was this? What time did you go to dinner about?
Like 9 o'clock, 9:30.
And he just left?
Yeah.
You didn't even know where he went? He just left? He got an Uber and just
Yep.
left?
Yep, and my car is sitting out there.
Okay? Because the last thing that I want is that we don't want to come back out here and we don't want to have to like take you to jail or make
You know that Dylan has my phone? That's a felony, right? It's over $1,000.
Relax.
No,
Alicia,
I'm not
Alicia.
gonna fucking relax. He has my fucking phone.
Okay,
Alicia.
we'll have him bring the phone back.
No, I want my phone right fucking now because I need to talk to my mother.
That's what I just said to you. I just said to you, we're gonna.
No, you said, Dylan said he'll talk to you in the morning.
No.
No, Dylan needs to bring my fucking
Are you sure he has it? Can we check your room?
100%. He just called me from it. He called
How
me
did he
from it
call?
on the phone here.
He used your phone to call here?
Yes.
How do you know it wasn't just his phone?
What's your phone?
I'm not a fucking person that lives under the fucking bridge, dude. This is a fucking $2,000 room.
Okay.
I'm not a bad person.
No
I
one's
swear.
saying. No one's saying you're a bad person.
You guys, nope, absolutely not. He fucking took my phone, and I saw him take it from Bougie, Boccoun. This way,
Yeah.
and then you go that way.
It's alright, but you were in the restaurant and that's when you saw him take it, you said?
Yes, and we ordered oysters. I parked my car. Me and him walked in here. We had drinks for about 3 hours.
Yeah.
And then from there we walked here.
In your car?
I'm fucking positive because me and Dylan had the car for about 4 hours parked. And I'm not mad at you guys. I just feel defeated. I'm not mad at you. I just feel defeated.
All we want to say is tonight's obviously been a rough night. Why don't you lay down, get some rest?
I don't want to because he's gonna fucking show up here. That's what he always fucking
He said he's
does.
not coming.
He said that?
And
He said
if
that?
I see
Just
that-
like he said he doesn't have my fucking phone?
Okay. Well then, if you don't want to be here when he's here, then yeah, like you said, get your Uber or taxi and you can go home too then.
Recognizing the need to restore order and ensure the safety of hotel staff and guests, the officers took the decision to arrest the individual for disorderly intoxication. This charge was based on her repeated public disturbances and aggressive actions.
We'll be here and then we can help.
Oh, yeah, that's what I can do. I can grab my cell phone that I don't have 911 when he's choking the
Phone under the couch, maybe? In
no,
the couch?
No, he called me off my fucking phone, you fucking morons. He called me off of my phone.
Your phone's not here, and he says he doesn't have it.
Well, he's a fucking
If you're
idiot.
gonna stay here for the night, just lock the door. There's a phone in there that you can call if you're unsafe. You
No,
can call
I
911 from there.
can't. Let me come here. I would love to show you my
There's
phone.
a deadbolt. You can lock the deadbolt.
And the lobby's not gonna let anyone
I
in
would
here.
love to. Come here.
And the lobby's not. And the lobby's not gonna let anyone in.
The arrest involved the standard procedures for dealing with disorderly conduct. The guest was taken into custody and transported to a local detention facility. The legal process following the arrest will include a court hearing where charges will be formally addressed and potential penalties will be determined. From a legal perspective, the guest's behavior constituted a violation of several laws related to public disorder. Specifically, the charge of disorderly intoxication falls under Florida Statutes, Chapter 856.011. According to this statute, 856.011 disorderly intoxication, this statute makes it a misdemeanor of the second degree for any person to be intoxicated in a public place to the extent that they pose a danger to themselves or others, or to behave in a manner that causes a disturbance. The penalties for a second-degree misdemeanor in Florida can include a fine of up to $500 and/or imprisonment for up to 60 days. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On August 28, 2023, an officer in Illinois was dispatched to a busy intersection to investigate a vehicular collision involving a white car. Upon arrival, the officer observed that the white vehicle had struck another car while driving the wrong way in a turn lane. The driver of the white vehicle appeared dazed, tired, and lethargic, which raised immediate concerns about her condition.
Are you having a medical issue or what's going on? What's that?
I'm not sure what's going on.
Well, how did you end up here? You want to step out for a second?
I'm not sure what's going on. I'm
Do
sorry.
you have your ID with you?
Yeah, I do.
You been drinking today?
No,
No? Been doing any drugs or anything or what?
I
Okay. Do you have your ID and your insurance with you? So how did you end up here? How did you end up here?
don't know what's going on.
You don't know what's going on. Okay. Do you have your insurance with you? Where are you coming from?
Right over there.
Where is right over there? Okay, ma'am. Do you have your insurance card? Okay, give me your insurance card. Do you have your insurance card? All right. Why don't you come out and step out here with me?
The driver was unable to provide her insurance details promptly and claimed that her keys had been thrown into a nearby field by an unknown individual. Witnesses reported that, even after the impact, the driver remained unconscious at the wheel, raising further suspicion about her state.
Confused right now. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with her.
That one's okay for now?
Yeah. It was just kind of a bump, but we're trying to figure out what's going on with her.
Absolutely.
So,
Why don't you come with us? We'll get you in the ambulance so you can be more private. Well, can I check your vitals and everything?
I'm not going to be. I'm not going to be.
would you like to go in the custody, or what would you like to do?
Just relax. Let's just stop and think about this for a minute.
Well, other than you're going the wrong way, but
Please check us out, man. Let us check you out in the ambulance. So we can get some vital signs, make sure you don't have a head injury, things of that nature. All right.
Emergency fire and rescue personnel arrived at the scene to assist. Initially, the driver was combative and refused medical treatment. However, after assessment, the medical team determined there was no underlying medical issue contributing to her impaired state. Consequently, the driver was detained and required to undergo medical evaluation.
Yeah, do you have the keys? They said they threw the keys in the field over there.
While he's asking me some questions, I'm just going to take your blood pressure and pulse and stuff, okay?
So which way were you coming down 59?
Coming from 59 to Cape Farm.
Okay, so you're at 59 and Cape Farm right now?
144.96.
Once again, have you done any drugs or alcohol today? Then why is it that you have glassy, bloodshot eyes and you can't answer any of our questions to any
Why are you?
Could you grab me one of the multiple refusals from the thing behind you? Or actually, just give me the whole clipboard.
We're trying to figure out how this happened. Are you diabetic? Have you ever had a diabetic reaction? Are you epileptic?
Do you mind if I check your blood sugar just to make sure? Alright, it's just a little poke to the finger. Okay.
You don't remember what it We probably should take you to the hospital and get you shut down.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
What year
Why are
is
you
it?
going to charge me for something that I don't want to do?
Why would we charge you with money?
Why
We have
are
nothing to
you-
do with charging. We're talking about
Yeah, I
taking
wanna
care of your
go
medical
home.
care.
I don't want to do medical care. I don't
What year is
have-
it?
It is 23.
What's today? What day is today?
2023.
What day is today? You have anything on you're not supposed to have, right?
No, absolutely not.
No, you're not going in there. You're going in my squad car.
What's happening?
Okay, you're going in my squad car until I figure out what's going on today. Because you're
Why?
either intoxicated
I am not
or having...
intoxicated.
Okay, ma'am?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Walk with
I'm
me.
not
Or you're going to be charged with a resisting arrest. Do you understand?
I'm not intoxicated.
Man, I'm not playing with you, okay?
I'm not
You're going to do
playing
what I
with
tell you to do.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Till I'm done with my investigation, you're going to be sitting in the back of my squad car. You
That's
understand?
fine.
Subsequent investigations revealed that the driver had an empty beer bottle and marijuana in the vehicle's center console. Field sobriety tests were conducted, and the officer concluded that the driver was indeed impaired.
So, Erica, when was the last time you smoked cannabis? Huh?
I'm dead.
How old are you?
I'm 29.
Okay. How old?
I'm 29.
29. Okay. When was the last time you smoked cannabis?
Not then.
Huh? Okay.
You can take that.
So the open beer can in your center console, was that yours too, or no? Okay. So you're not intoxicated today?
No.
Okay. All right. No. All right, Eric. Why don't we walk up here in the front of the car? You think you can do some standard field sobriety tests for me? What's that? You can pass them?
As a result, she was taken into custody and transported to the county jail. During her booking process, the driver was non-compliant, refusing to take pictures, thumbprints, or a breathalyzer test, and even threatened the arresting officers.
All right, man. Turn around. Back there. Right now, you're going to be in custody for suspicion of driving while under the influence of drugs and or alcohol. Okay.
I think so.
Okay.
I'm not going in. I'm not doing what you asked me.
All right, come on.
No, don't touch
All
me. Don't you f***ing touch me. You want to f***ing touch me?
No, I really
Do
don't.
you
I'd
wanna
like
touch
you
me?
Step out of the car.
No, I would not like to step out of the car. You could take me home.
Well, yeah, you can get home.
Yeah, I would love to go home. So what the f*** are you doing? Because I'll f***ing kick you in your f***ing face.
Violence.
You would love that. I know you would
4175.
love that.
At the jail, 7.3 in the traffic. Could you have someone meet me on the lot? She's refusing to get it.
Because you want to touch me?
No.
Yeah, you do. Don't f***ing touch me.
Okay.
You're not my friend.
No.
No, you're not. So why would I agree with you?
The legal charges against her included DUI, disregard of an official traffic device, illegal transportation of alcohol, obstructing an officer, and resisting an officer. On February 22nd, 2024, she entered a plea agreement, pleading guilty to 2 charges, while the remaining 3 were dropped, resulting in her placement on probation.
Because you're under arrest, and if you don't go through with this, then
You're not my
to jail.
friend.
Okay. Do you want to go to jail tonight, or do you want to
I'm
go?
not going to jail tonight because you
If
think
don't
you're going to
comply-
do that. You
if
think
you
you're
don't
going to
comply
do
with what
that.
I'm asking you to do, you go to jail.
Yeah,
Obstructing
that's
justice.
funny. That's
It's
funny.
not funny.
That is funny. I have a lawyer.
Okay. Where is that
Here.
lawyer at?
He's right here in town. Who's your lawyer?
I don't need a lawyer.
I
I'm
have
not
a
under
lawyer.
arrest.
I have a lawyer. So
Yeah, I'll be at the rest of
I don't need to talk to you.
Let me give it
Oh, that's fine. She died of breast cancer 3 years ago.
Good. I'm really f***ing glad about that. I'm really glad. So blame it on me.
What's happening?
Not much.
Shouldn't be too much of a problem, but she's said she's going to kick me in the.
In Illinois, the charges against the driver are defined and penalized under several legal statutes. A DUI driving under the influence as per Illinois Vehicle Code SS11-501 occurs when a driver is impaired by alcohol or drugs while operating a vehicle, with penalties including fines, imprisonment, and mandatory alcohol education. For a first offense, penalties range from a minimum of 1 year of probation to a maximum of 1 year in jail, along with substantial fines and the suspension of driving privileges. Additionally, failing to obey traffic signals or signs as outlined in Illinois Vehicle Code SS11-305 can result in fines and points on the driver's record, with more severe penalties for repeated offenses or those leading to accidents. In addition, illegal transportation of alcohol under Illinois Vehicle Code SS11-502 prohibits transporting open containers of alcohol in a vehicle, resulting in fines and additional points on the driver's license. All right, this woman was wild, but this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On July 11th, 2023, law enforcement officers in Martin County, Florida, were dispatched to address a report of reckless driving involving Dina, a woman already facing significant legal troubles. Dina was out on a $200,000 bond for theft and fraud charges when the incident occurred, marking a new chapter in her legal woes. Upon arrival, officers encountered Dina displaying highly erratic behavior.
Driver's license, registration. Do you have any form of identification? Nothing? You speak? Then go ahead and speak to me, okay? Do you have any type of identification on you? Do you have a purse? Do you have a registration? Anything over there that's yours? No? Nothing. All right. What is your first name? What's your first name? What? Dana, is this car registered to you? Is this your car? What are you under the influence of? Alcohol or drugs? Something. You could have killed somebody a moment ago. Okay? It was horrible. Go ahead and turn the car off for me. Well, I kind of don't trust you at this point, okay? Crying's not going to help. I still want to know who you are.
She was reportedly uncooperative and failed to provide valid identification or any necessary vehicle registration documents. Dina's responses were disjointed and incoherent, reflecting her impaired state.
Never.
What's that?
I have literally never been fucking
This drunk?
fuck off.
Okay. Well, I'll make sure you don't kill anybody. That's why we're stopped here today, okay?
Well, great.
Alright, cool.
I have never fucking been.
Arrested for DUI?
No.
Yes, you have.
No.
I get till 6 o'clock.
You're under the influence.
I am? Not today, but
I'm a piece of shit.
I didn't say that. Again, I'm just here to make sure you're not under the influence and you can drive. That's it.
No. You want to make sure that I'm a piece of shit.
I think Kevin Morris is coming, and
I think it was Motor 1, right? Motor 2, whatever it was.
Okay, I get it. I get it. It's hot out here. Give me 1 second, okay? I don't know what she's saying. 9,000 things with PC.
9,000 things with PC? Okay, it's all over the place? Okay.
Go talk to her, be evident. Trust me.
Alcohol or drugs?
Can't even tell you. It's so hot out. I mean, I had to reach in the car, turn off the car. But I'm assuming alcohol if it's on.
Despite multiple requests from the officers, she refused to participate in standard field sobriety tests and made confusing statements about her medical condition and personal circumstances. The officers observed clear signs of impairment, including difficulty in communication and physical instability. Dina's behavior prompted immediate concern for public safety, as she had previously demonstrated reckless driving, including jumping a curb and driving erratically.
Can you sit still? All right, talk to me for a minute. Do you have any medical issues at all?
Yeah.
Diabetic, epileptic? Do you have seizures?
I have a type.
You You have a ton? What kind of medical issues
You know
do you
what?
have?
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what?
I'm not
You're not going to have a conversation with me?
No, I'm not going to sit here like you fucking.
Okay, just based on my initial observations and you're not being willing to talk to me.
Nah, based on your fucking observations.
Right?
I'm a fucking whore and you don't care.
Well, that's not what I said.
That's exactly.
And that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to find out if you're too intoxicated to drive a motor vehicle.
No, I never fucking asked to fucking do that.
To do what?
Yeah.
Okay? Do you want to take your shoes off?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
I'm going to ask you to do some standardized field sobriety tests.
Nope.
Are you going to do that for me?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope.
What's going on in your hair there?
Given Dina's failure to comply with sobriety testing and her overall condition, officers determined that she was under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Her refusal to acknowledge her impairment or cooperate with the investigation led to her arrest for driving under the influence DUI. Additionally, Dina was noted for her refusal to acknowledge her medical conditions, further complicating the situation.
Oh, why don't you help me? You're not fucking. I don't give a shit. I don't give a. My fucking son. My fucking arms. You won't even stop to help me. Fucking help me. I never broke the law. I never hurt anybody. I never hurt anybody.
Dina faced multiple charges, including refusal to submit to DUI testing, driving with a suspended license second offense, and failure to register a motor vehicle, each compounding her legal troubles. Following her arrest, her cash bond was set at $2,250, reflecting the severity of her offenses and her ongoing legal issues. Dina's actions violated several critical Florida laws, each carrying specific penalties under Florida statutes SS 316.1932. Refusal to submit to DUI testing can lead to an automatic license suspension and additional criminal charges. Driving with a suspended license, as per Florida statutes SS 322.34, is a criminal offense with a second offense potentially resulting in incarceration and substantial fines. Additionally, operating a vehicle without proper registration, according to Florida statutes SS 320.02, can result in fines and other legal consequences.